This video is intended to show an early sort of in-progress preview of how this import content plugin I've been working on could function. And I'm hoping that maybe someone can use it, maybe someone is interested and wants to contribute. I'll put the GitHub repository link into the description. So I've installed the import content plugin that I'm working on here, and I want to show importing an RSS stream to generate content. So I need a content type that will be imported. I'll go to content type builder, add a new one. I'm going to call it article and say it's for imports. Okay. Now, I need a few fields. I know it'll have a title, so I'll add each article will have a title. And then let's add a date that the article was published. And let's add the content, which will hold whatever comes in from the RSS feed. And save. Okay, now that I have my content type, I'll go over here to the import content plugin and create a new import. I quickly went over to NASA and grabbed an RSS feed that I'll try here. And when I paste the URL into the plugin page here for creating, I get a brief analysis of what's in the RSS feed. So these are the fields that it has. Good, it has the title as expected. I'll use this pub date as the date it was published, and I'll import the content. So what I need to do is select, I'll select article. I don't want to create a user, a role, or permission. I want to create articles for each item in the RSS feed. I'll say, oh, this does not look right. Let me change that up. Back to article. Okay, there's a bug. So the title I will send to, this is the title coming in from the RSS feed, and this is the destination field in our article content type. Send title to title, send pub date to date, and send content to content. Go. So now that happened very quickly, but the green color meant that it was in progress, working through a queue of items that it found in the RSS feed. And this means that 10 items have been imported. So let's go see our list of articles. Here they are. It doesn't look like title happened correctly. Oh no, that might be a bug with the with Content Manager. Let's go back to articles again. There they are. So yeah, it looks like 10 articles were imported, and they have dates, which are a real date field, and they have content. So now, especially during development, I found myself wanting to get rid of a lot of these things. So I import, 500 things from some RSS feed, and then I start this process of getting rid of them, which takes way too long. So if I go back to the import plugin, I have this undo button. Undo will, as you might suspect, go through and remove all of the articles that were imported at the time of import. So here, undo, and then it turned green again, and it was polling, but it actually went through the items very quickly. By polling, I mean the interface here is polling the API to see how many items have been either imported or deleted during an undo. And then I can delete this record, and the articles are gone. Like I said, repo is in the description below. I hope you are interested in this approach to import content, and maybe you can use it already, and hopefully you will contribute. Thanks.